the day when all the freedom fighters fought for India. They parked their bike there, but I have parked my bike here. I need to take a photo. This looks amazing. ಮಗ ಒಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕೋ ಮಗ. There are windmills there, 1 2 3 4, like so many, and behind that is the most amazing view, which I'm going to show you. Looking on Vanivilas Dam right now. So we have come down, and it looks like this, man. It's really feels amazing to be here after 170 180 kilometers of ride. Some sites here. I don't want to go. Scaring of monkeys. Feels good to be here. Fresh air, fresh everything. Like the pass of this peak. Independence Day we had a ride to one of the oldest dams in Karnataka, which is KANIVE. And today it is known as Vani Vilasa Sagara Dam. Sagara Dam because you see this sea-like view. That is why it is called as Sagara. Sagara is nothing but ocean. Boy, a beautiful view. A backside of the dam and the actual dam with the water, Sagara Dam. We have we're on the top of the mountain, or what you can say the dam. So there is a lot of parking space here available for cars, buses, even bikers. Bikers obviously, yes. There is like too much of space available for parking here, and you can come and enjoy your beautiful view with your family also. Like if you come with your family, that's nothing but great enjoyment and fun. That will be good. And if you come by bike or with your friends, will be too much good, as I can say. We are currently now leaving from this place, and we are going to backwaters. Backwaters of Yadukya. Backwaters of Vani Vilasa Dam, which is KANIVE backwaters. This dam is from this place, and we're going to backwaters, and this bloody dirty fellow is disturbing. ಇವನೇ ಸಚಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕಂಡ್ರರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಖ ಮುಚ್ಕೊತಾನೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡವು. ಹಾಯ್, so this is Mohit with his impulse bike, and this is one more. Hi, he's Abhishek. So he's got his Duke 200, and our guy Mr. Sachin is very fond of this beautiful machine, and he's just telling that, like, you know, he's going to buy KTM Duke in 1 or 2 years. Is it 1 or 2 years?
You give me 2 lakhs, I'll buy in next moment. What?
If I would have had that much amount of money, why would I give you?
I would have been in Ladakh for months together.
So yeah, this is the condition, and this guy is just staring at that bike, man. It's not your ex or present GF. Okay, I can't.
Exhaust for that. And he is planning to own a Stepney Impulse.
Stepney Impulse. Expulse. We are actually heading to the backwaters of KANIVE. We missed the location once again, and the last location. So here we have taken a right. It's actually a left from when we are coming from the dam, and from here it is too slippery. Skids a lot. Yeah. So you got to be careful in this path. ಏನೋ ಮಚ್ಚ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಓಮ್ನಿ
ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಬಪ್ಪ ಚಿನ್ನ.
We've taken somewhere path here inside. Somewhere inside along the path we are here, and we can, I think, enjoy the backwaters. Wow, one crazy road. Oh, this guy got stuck. Stuck ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಗ.
I'm running away from this pain. I'm trying to find a new way. where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free.
So guys, I just wanted to tell you the importance of the dam which were come here. So the dam which is here has been built from the time of Maharajas, like Mysore Maharajas. So the actual name of this dam is KANIVE, but because of the daughter of Mysore Maharajas, so it was named as Vanivilasa Dam, and it is right in the Chitradurga. So here you can enjoy a nice view, a nice place from Bangalore. It is about 185 kilometers from Bangalore, so you can enjoy the view coming here. And not only the dam you can see, but you can come to the backwaters and you can enjoy the peaceful wave what you get. And guys, it's been too fun coming right here, riding with two other riders and one pillion who is Sachin. So he's a good fellow, good guy. So we always have this idea about going to places and spending time, valuable time. Like I don't know whether he has ridden earlier or not, but this guy is good.
Searching for you. Train line rakilva?
ತೆಗ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಏನೋ ನನ್ನೆ. Time to leave the place. This is KANIVE's backwater, which is also called Vanivilasa backwater. So the time update now is 2:44, which is 10 minutes behind. So the actual time is 2:54 right now. In another 15 kilometers we are going to set 6,000 kilometer milestone on this machine, Avenger Cruise 220. Oh, take it, bro. Nothing happened to leg, right? Leg is okay, right? I thought it got twisted. Wow. Again. Okay, right. Come that way. Huh? Okay. Nice. Hey, Barla. Finally got off. Duke was down 2 times. Actually the tires were slipping there. The mud was too much. So currently this is the Independence Day ride and we are heading back home. Vanivilasa Dam is 19 kilometers away from Hiriyur. So if you are coming anyway nearby Hiriyur, then you can go and check out the fabulous dam which is there. the one of the oldest dam in this Karnataka state. One disadvantage with my bike is that the pillion cannot sit for a long time.